Hello and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever cleaned up messy data or performed a repetitive task that bored you out and you thought there has to be a better way to do this? Then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create a macro that can automate tasks like data cleaning, formatting, and generating those annoying monthly reports. Excel macros are like your mini robots that can record your actions once and then repeat them over and over again without any manual intervention. Just click run. This is the data we'll be using in this example. We have customer's name, email, phone number, and region. You can find the sample file in the description below to download and follow along. The first thing we need to do is enable the developer tab if you haven't done that already. To enable it, right-click anywhere on the ribbon and click Customize the ribbon, or click File, Options, Customize ribbon. Check the Developer tab and click OK. Macros can be found here under the Code menu group. Next, let's record our macro. But before we do, make sure you plan the actions you need to complete for each task. Because once you start recording, any click or change you make on the worksheet is captured as a step in our macro. Of course, if you make a mistake, you can delete the macro and start all over. For this exercise, here are our chronological order of activities. Once planning is done, click Record Macro here. There's also a Record Macro button in the status bar. Give it a name like Clean Up and Visualize. Remember, spaces are not allowed in macro names, but you can use underscore to separate words. You can include a shortcut or description if you wish, but I'll leave the default and click OK. Our first activity is to clean up those duplicates. Select your data by clicking Name in cell A1. Hold Ctrl Shift and then press the forward arrow to select the columns. Then hold Ctrl Shift again and then press the down arrow. Using the shortcut keys dynamically selects our data and ensures that our macro works for 10, 15, or even 200 records. Now click on the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. Excel will ask which columns to check. Select all of them and click OK. Duplicate data is gone. Now for the emails, first we will standardize them. Convert them all to lowercase using the lower function. Copy and paste values. Then we are going to find those invalid email addresses. In a new column, type this handy formula. The formula checks if both the @ symbol and the dot symbol are found in the email address and returns valid if true and invalid if false. This is a quick way to validate an email address. Filter out the customers with invalid addresses. Next, let's format our list. Give the headers a dark blue background and font color of white. Time to summarize. Let's count how many customers we have in each region. In a new table, type the region names, then use the formula COUNTIF. Select the D column and select the region name cell for North, and then drag it out for all the regions, and your data now tells a story. Highlight your summary table, go to Insert, and select a simple chart. Change the title to make it yours. Now our report is ready. Finally, Stop recording your macro. You've just created your very own automated workflow. Let's go to the February worksheet, and all we have to do is select our recorded macro and click Run, and Excel will do it all. Clean the data, validate the emails, and create our chart. Because we've recorded macros, we'll need to save our file as a macro-enabled Excel file. So click File, Save As, select the drop-down to select a macro-enabled Excel file, and click Save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you are using Excel macros. See you in the next video.